Hello friends, welcome to Zydex. The three ingredients to prepare Zydex priming solution are water, Zycosil Plus and Zycoprime Plus. Please ensure that the water used must be potable, technically speaking having TDS below 1000 ppm and with pH between 6.5 to 7. Zycosil and Zycoprime are diluted with water. In 20 liters of water, we have to add 1 liter of Zycosil Plus and 2 liters of Zycoprime Plus. That is 20:1:2. It is important to follow the order in which these are mixed together. First, we should add Zycosil Plus into water, mix them to become a uniform and almost transparent solution, then add Zycoprime in this solution and again mix to blend it in the solution. This gives us our final ready to use Zydex primer. After we have mixed 20 liters of water with 1 liter of Zycosil Plus and 2 liters of Zycoprime Plus, we have 23 liters solution which has to be sprayed over the concrete. On a vertical plastered surface, the solution has to be spread over 600 to 800 square feet, and on a horizontal surface, the solution will be sprayed over 300 to 400 square feet. Please note that this identified sprayed areas are indicative only and the real coverage depends on the porosity and dryness of the substrate. When we spray the primer over concrete, we will see that after spraying 3 to 4 times over a span of 3 to 5 minutes, the concrete does not absorb anymore. This indicates that the concrete is now saturated. We must treat a surface till saturation happens. Once saturation is achieved, allow the surface to dry till the water completely evaporates. Once the surface is completely dried, water resistant treatment of concrete surface with Zydex primer is over. You can check it by carrying out a drop test on the surface. Now the surface can be painted if it is vertical or coated with cementitious polymers if it is horizontal. So we will now do a mixing of Zycosil and Zycoprime to make a Zydex primer. Here we have a knapsack sprayer and which is filled with water. There is about 10 liters of water in this knapsack sprayer. We have here Zycosil solution. We have Zycosil. We'll try to break open the pack. From this we will take half of the bottle. This is a 1 liter pack. We will try to put 500 ml of this in this water. So in this knapsack sprayer, we have taken 10 liters of water in which we have mixed 500 ml of Zycosil Plus. Into this we will add double quantity of Zycoprime Plus, which is about 1 liter. This is a 1 liter pack of Zycoprime and the whole quantity will go inside this drum. We will close the sprayer lid and once again shake it well. We will just shake it a little bit so that it becomes a uniform mixture. This is more than enough to make a Zydex primer. Now we will pump it. This is a manual sprayer, so we will pump it to gain the pressure. We have Zydex primer ready. We have to remember that the mixing sequence has to be as shown in this demonstration. First we have to take water. In that water we have to mix Zycosil Plus, and in Zycosil Plus then we have to mix Zycoprime Plus. This order should not be changed. After that, a little bit of shaking to make an even mixture. Once it blends it, then we pump it here to build up the pressure. Now this is a ready to spray Zydex primer. We will use it on this horizontal surface. This is a roof surface. We will start spraying it on the surface. We would see that the concrete is absorbing the water after some time. We have to spray on the concrete 3 to 4 times in 3 to 5 minutes till the time the concrete is saturated and it takes in the water as much as absorbing power it has. Before we do this application, we must ensure that the floor is properly cleaned. It should be cleaned out of any debris, any fungus, and the bare concrete surface should be visible. After completing application on the surface, we have to allow it to dry till the whole water evaporates from the surface. Then we can come and do a drop check on the surface to see whether waterproofing has completely taken place or not. Now we will spray the Zydex primer on this vertical surface. We are supposed to ideally start from bottom to top, wherever it's possible, and we will try to spray it on the surface till it absorbs water. Before doing the priming, we have to ensure that the surface is well prepared. It is free of any fungus or any other dust and other debris. The coverage on a vertical surface will be approximately 600 to 800 square feet per liter of Zycosil. Once we finish completely saturating the surface, we have to allow it to dry. And after it is dried, we can come back and we can do a splash test to see the hydrophobicity on the surface.